Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Confidence. Bow, 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 bow. In today's video, if you're a student and you're tired of wasting your money and you're tired of misusing money and you don't know where to get extra money, I've got you today. I am doing this video for you. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you one app that can, let's make it two apps that you can simply use to make extra money. Why? Because you need the extra money as a student. Let's get right into it. So guys, as a student, we spend more money. As a student, we like doing shopping, groceries, what. Ne? So the first app that I'm going to reveal you, it is a simple app. I am just going to show you how to sign up, and it is so easy. Let's get right into it. The name of the app is Savvy Saver Get Paid to Shop. So you log in, you upload it, you allow, you see everything that they are offering you, and you register yourself, which is going to require your name, surname, address, cell phone number, and you must register because you're a newcomer. If not, you must just log in, and yeah, that's all. You click join for free, you start scanning your slip to make money. Easy as that. So basically, that's all you do. You just scan your slip after doing your grocery shopping, after doing whatever you were doing. You scan your slip and you upload it and you get points, and you can convert that money into actual cash. They can really transfer you that money to actual cash. The second app that I'm going to reveal. So let me show you how you can register. Also start doing something for yourself. Snap and Save is the second app that you can still scan your slip. Firstly, you must register, sign in, put on your cell phone number, confirm your cell phone number, and you join. So when you join, irregardless of your bookings, every time you snap a slip, you get R5. So start by booking your offers. Booking your offers, like you go on the app and anything that you're going to buy, you select. Like example, these things, you have to select what you're going to buy and you snap your stuff. So guys, it's as simple as that. You scan your slip and you make money and you withdraw. That is that. You also scan your slip on the second app, and you can simply make money by doing that. So I hope this video will make you have extra cash. Take note that scanning slips won't just give you a million. It won't just give you 1,000 rand same time, but consistently hard work, making sure that you scan each and every slip that you do will give you the moolah that you're looking for. I hope this video was very informative to you, and I will see you on my next one. Go scan your slips so that you make money for yourself. It will be your side hustle all by yourself. Your mama buys grocery, yourself buys whoever, your boyfriends, So scan those slips and make money out of it. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment. Mostly don't forget to subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.